When you think of oats, you think of them as a popular ingredient in breakfast cereals, oatmeal, and even delightful oatmeal cookies. However, over the last decade, oats have become extremely popular as a health food. Oats are high in fiber, with 1 cup of dry oats containing about 7.5 grams of fiber, and they also contain avenanthramides, a chemical exclusive to oats. Avenanthramides has been demonstrated to lower arterial inflammation and regulate blood pressure. Those who consume oatmeal on a daily basis, whether for breakfast or as a snack, can reap some health benefits. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Number 1. Oats can help with weight management. If you're looking to lose weight, oatmeal can be a helpful addition to your diet. A 2009 study published in the journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research found that beta-glucan, a compound found in oatmeal, can help reduce appetite by increasing the hormone cholecystokinin, which appears to promote feelings of fullness during meals. Additionally, oatmeal is rich in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. So, if you add oatmeal in your diet, you might be able to control your weight. Number 2. Oats can lower cholesterol levels. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, and high blood cholesterol is a major culprit behind this. So, anytime we can lower our cholesterol, we minimize our chances of having heart disease. Fortunately, oats can help with this too. Remember the beta-glucan we discussed earlier? Multiple studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber found in oats is beneficial at lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan can increase the release of cholesterol-rich bile, which reduces the circulating levels of cholesterol in your blood. When you eat beta-glucan, it forms a gel in the gut, which traps cholesterol-rich bile acids. This means less cholesterol passes from the gut into the bloodstream. Your liver then has to take more cholesterol out of your blood to make more bile, which lowers your blood cholesterol. Furthermore, oats contain antioxidants that help protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation, another important step in the prevention of heart disease. Number 3. Oats can improve blood sugar levels. Many people have experienced sugar crashes at some point in their lives. However, adding oatmeal to your diet can help reduce the frequency of such events. Oatmeal is a low glycemic index food, which means it is digested slowly and does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can help prevent sugar crashes and keep you feeling full and energized for longer periods of time. Studies have shown that a low glycemic index diet reduces insulin resistance and lowers the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Moreover, oats may help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells stop responding to insulin, which can lead to a whole host of health issues. Number 4. Oats can help relieve constipation. Constipation isn't fun for anyone, and while it's a common issue, incorporating fiber-rich foods such as oats into your diet can help with this discomfort. Research recommends a daily intake of 25 to 38 grams of dietary fiber for optimal digestive health, and oats are a great source of dietary fiber with just 1 cup, containing almost 1/5 of the recommended daily fiber intake, which in turn can help alleviate constipation. In a study, 30 elderly people who had bowel issues found that consuming desserts or soup containing oat bran for 3 months improved the well-being of all the participants by 10 times. Not only that, 59% of the participants managed to stop using laxatives. Number 5. Oats can help with skincare. Oats have a long history of use in the treatment of various skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and skin rashes, and it's no coincidence that oats can be found in numerous skincare products. Manufacturers often label finely ground oats as colloidal oatmeal in their numerous skincare products. In fact, the FDA approved colloidal oatmeal as a skin protective substance back in 2003. Oat-based skin products may improve uncomfortable symptoms of eczema. This is because oats are rich in skin-friendly nutrients, including amino acids, antioxidants, and fatty acids. These properties make oatmeal both a healthy food and a highly useful ingredient in topical skincare formulations. Oats contain zinc, which is known to help cleanse the skin and eliminate toxins and other toxic substances. It also efficiently reduces large pores and has a rejuvenating effect. Iron is an essential ingredient for skin cell nourishment and moisture saturation. Manganese is proven to help minimize swelling and inflammation. It also helps quick skin healing following wounds, bruising, burns, and other minor injuries. Magnesium improves blood circulation and causes significant skin cell regeneration. Number 6. Oats can lower the risk of childhood asthma. Asthma is the most common chronic illness among kids. It is a chronic inflammatory disorder of the airways that can cause recurrent coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. It can be triggered by a variety of factors, including airborne allergens such as pollen and dust mites, respiratory diseases such as the common cold, physical exercise, and cold air. Some studies have shown that early introduction of oats may actually protect children from developing asthma. The exact mechanisms through which oats may prevent asthma in children are not fully understood. However, oats may help promote a healthy gut microbiome, and there is evidence suggesting a link between gut health and the development of asthma. Therefore, more research is needed to confirm this finding and to determine the optimal timing and amount of oats to introduce to a child's diet. Number 7. Whole oats can promote antioxidant activity. Whole oats are a great source of antioxidants and polyphenols, and the most unique group of antioxidants found exclusively in oats is called avenanthramides, which we mentioned at the beginning. These antioxidants have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching effects and can also boost the production of nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing arterial stiffening. These antioxidants also protect your cells from free radicals, which reduces the risk of cancer and heart disease. In addition, a study published in Nutrition and Cancer found that avenanthramides in oats actually decrease the spread of colon cancer cells, showcasing potential anti-cancer properties. Therefore, incorporating oats into your meals can be a delicious and healthful way to enjoy these benefits. Number 8. Oats are incredibly nutritious. Eating oats daily provides your body with tons of essential vitamins and minerals, with only 1 cup of dry oats giving you 128% of the recommended dietary intake, or RDI of manganese, 27% of the RDI of phosphorus, 27% of the RDI of magnesium, 35% of the RDI of copper, 30% of the RDI of vitamin B1, 20% of the RDI of zinc and iron, and small amounts of calcium, potassium, and vitamins B6 and B3. All these nutritional benefits come at the cost of only about 300 calories, making oatmeal a highly nutritious and calorie-efficient choice. Now we know that eating oatmeal daily can be boring, but there are a few ways you can make it exciting and flavorful. You can experiment with different types of oats, such as dry, steel-cut, or rolled oats. If you typically have oatmeal for breakfast, consider sweetening it with fruits, nuts, or take a savory approach by topping it with an egg. You can also add oats to any smoothie for an additional nutrition and fiber boost. In a nutshell, oats can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine in a multitude of creative ways. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on all the health benefits of oats? And tell us about your favorite ways to eat oatmeal in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We really hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.